Welcome to Radiant Reiki with Carol and my podcast, The Radiant Wave. Today, I want to tell you I'm so excited because my daughter and I wrote this wonderful book, children's book, and it just got published at Amazon. So I'm going to leave the link for that in the description box. I want to show it to you. Look at how beautiful it is. Didn't it turn out great? It's called Remembering the Golden Light. And it teaches little ones about how to remember their golden light that's within their heart chakra. And it helps by putting your hands on your heart chakra, breathing deeply, and it teaches you how to do that in the book. Instantly helps you feel calm, and it helps you realize your light within you, because we each have a divine light within us, right? So it brings in the divine and makes you instantly feel love, and you feel safe, and you feel cared for. And that's what children need, right? And you want them to be able to do that for themselves, right? So this book is wonderful that way, and it's lovely. It's got lovely illustrations, and I think you'll really enjoy it. My daughter and I are really proud of it. It's called Remembering the Golden Light by Claire Vialba and Carol Prokop. That's me. Yay! So I'm going to read just one page. Here's this page. Check this. Isn't that beautiful? Can you feel it? This is your light. It's always here to keep you safe, even when you're scared or sad. So this wonderful book is going to be available for you. It's $11.11, $11.11. Cool. So that's I'll leave the link in the description box if you'd like to buy it for your kids or your grandkids or anybody that you know that would benefit from this. I also want to extend an invitation that my daughter and I are also, she's a Reiki master teacher as well. We are also planning on teaching a Reiki class to parents so that they can give Reiki to their children. And my daughter does this every day and every night. So she can share with you how this works with her and her child. But I can also, I taught students for 30 plus years, so I can also help you with how to help with the Reiki with your children at home or your grandchildren. You could do that too. That'd be fun. I'd love to have grandparents in here with me. That'd be great. Because Reiki is so wonderful. Reiki energy healing releases anxiety and stress, so you can heal both emotionally and physically. So whenever your child is stressed, there's so much stress happening in children's lives and adults' lives. There's a lot of anxiety that kids have, I know, and stress. So this helps release the stress and anxiety. So they can do Reiki whenever they feel stressed or upset, and it can be quietly done. It doesn't have to be a big deal. They can do it anywhere, really. And you, as parents or grandparents, can do it on yourself every day, and that fills your cup up too, because parents especially really need their cup filled. You guys are, if you're working full time and you're also taking care of children, or even not working but just taking care of children, that's a lot of work right there. So you need to fill up your own cup too, right? And if you fill your cup up, then you're able to fill up your child's. It's kind of like the oxygen tank, right? Or the oxygen mask in an airplane. You got to fill up yourself first before you can really give to anyone else. And this Reiki class would enable you to do Reiki not only on your children, your family members, friends, whoever you want to, but most importantly, yourself and your children would be wonderful for you, really. I'm in my 60s and I don't take any medications. I'm really healthy, and I think it's because I do Reiki on myself every day, and I've been doing it for a few years now. So I highly recommend taking Reiki energy healing, learning that for yourself and for your family. If you would be interested in this, we're going to do an online class, my daughter and I, so we can reach as many people as possible. If you would be interested in joining this class with us, please leave a comment below, and then we'll and how to reach you, and we will try to figure out a schedule that would work with you. And you know, we have to do with what works for us, but maybe like a month that we could do it in, like June or something. Okay? We'd love to have you do that. And also, if you could and order the book for your child, that would be so wonderful. That'll be in the description box too. And remember your golden light, your light. To get into your heart space, you just need to put your hands on your heart chakra and breathe deeply. Close your eyes and see what you feel in your body. You're going to feel probably warmth in your heart chakra. Sometimes it's on my back, on my spine, sometimes on the lower, sometimes on the upper. Just see what comes when you do this. And you'll feel so much love. And you feel when you do this, when you breathe and put hands on your heart chakra, you will feel so relaxed. It just calms you down. It brings peace to you, and you feel love, right? It's kind of like, because it's your divine self coming into your body is what it is. We all have the divine within us, and it's just your divine coming in going, yeah, I'm here with you. We're good. I love you. We're all connected. We're all one, right? So enjoy this book. I hope you do. And Remembering the Golden Light by Claire Vialba and Carol Prokop on Amazon. And leave a comment and let me know if you'd be interested in a Reiki class for parents so that you can do Reiki. My 4-year-old granddaughter, she gets Reiki all the time from her mom and from me. And so, you know, whenever she, you know, skins a knee or falls down or something happens, you know, with children, it always seems to, she you know, might be crying, and I'd say, do you want some Reiki? And she says, yes, please. And then I give her Reiki. Everything's calm. Everything's good. She's ready to move forward. It doesn't hurt anymore. It's awesome. It's physical healing as well as emotional. Awesome. I can't recommend it enough. Okay? All right. Leave a comment if you'd be interested in that, and see a previous video. I'm going to put up a previous video I did about how to get into your heart space and with spirit, and getting that divine self to come in and to be with you so that you can calm yourself down and you can relax and feel peaceful and loved as well. Okay? So I'll leave that previous video up afterwards. All right? In love and light. I'll see you next time.